Okay, good evening everyone. Here we are going to see the continuation. Okay, continuation of the time, work and wages. In last class, we have seen the basic concept and then basic problems. Those kind of problems you may expect in your group exams. So here today we are going to see some bit concept. Okay, like efficiency. Then after that we are going to solve the some moderate level question. In the next class, we are going to see some more advanced than the moderate level question. So this is what we are going to see in today's class and the next class with respect to time, work and wages. So first of all, here I will tell you the some wordings you need to understand here. So first of all, just be clear with these wordings. Okay. So A is twice efficient as B. What does it mean?
If B does
Wait,
one
Rajshekar.
work,
Wait. Rajshekar, wait. Anybody else? Anybody else? Why I have stopped Rajshekar is since he's my student. Okay.
So,
Yes. Pratish also wait.
Can
Pratish
I?
wait. Pratish wait. Archana wait. Preeti wait. Then Rajshekar wait. You people already my students. You people know this concept. Then I would like to know from others also. Please try to communicate.
A equal to 2B, sir.
A is equal to 2B. A is twice efficient as B. Suppose if A is 1, B is 2.
2.
So this is the concept here. Okay. So now listen. A is two more efficient as B. Then what is their efficiency? A is two more efficient as B. Apart from 4, you people. Okay.
A
Apart
is
from
equal to 2
A
plus
will
B, sir.
be sir.
A is Dinesh wait. Dinesh you also wait. People try. Even it is wrong, not an issue. Just tell me what is A, what is B.
A is 2 plus B, sir. A is 2 plus B, sir.
Okay, fine.
3:1.
If I am taking A as 1, then what is B?
3.
3. If you want, I will just exactly write efficient, 2 more efficient than B. Now okay. So then this is 3. People understood the basic keywords here. Twice or else times. So this means that multiply. More or else more than. So which means that add. Okay. So this keyword please remember. So now I'm moving to the next concept. A is 50% efficient. A is 50% efficient of B. Then what is A? Efficiency.
1:2.
Then what is A? Efficiency.
Efficiency of A.
Efficiency of A.
1:2.
Okay. So you are saying B is 2. Somebody has answered. You are saying B is 2.
No,
You are
sir.
saying
A
B is
is 2. No, sir. A is 2.
A will be 2, B will be 1.
B is 1. A is 2. Please read the statement again. It's a simple statement.
Please read the statement again. It's a simple statement.
3:2.
Anybody else? See, listen carefully. A is 50% efficient of B. So if B is full efficient, then A is half efficient. 50% of U means what? Half only. If B is 2, A is 1. Understanding? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please focus here. Deepthi Dara.
Yes, sir.
Deepthi, try to give answers. Deepthi. Then what is A? What is B?
3:2.
What is A? What is B?
3:2.
3:2. Ankit, now you understand the difference between first one and second one. Huh? For first one also you answered the same.
And second one, for
Yeah.
first one also you answered the same.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Fine, fine. So that is why you need to be very careful here. Okay. So A is 50% efficient of
Okay.
B. Please mute. A is 50% efficient of B. 50% means what? So if you are capable of doing 100 jobs, then A is having the capable of doing only 50%, which means that 50 jobs. Okay. So here in the second statement, A is 50% more efficient than B. So suppose if you are 100% efficient, then A is going to be 150 efficient. Understanding the difference, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So with this concept, so before solving the efficiency problem, I would like to give you two pipes and cistern concept, similar concept, same as the yesterday's time and work concept. Please apply this one. This is a beautiful question, but it needs some logics, some understanding. It's a beautiful question. Read the question one or twice, then please try. It needs a lot of patience before solving this question. Read one or time, one or twice, have some idea, get some logic, and proceed.
Sir, please wait.
Yes, yes, I'm not going to give the answer. This is a beautiful question. Please do it properly. Surely you will get some logic. Stella, you also try. Uh, what happened to Ajay?
Yes, sir, trying, sir.
Ajay is there, huh?
Yes, sir, I'm there, sir.
Oh, okay, Ajay.
Yes, sir.
Just now
Yes,
I've seen.
yes, sir.
Okay, fine, fine.
Okay, sir.
If you're both facing any problems, just go through the first video, then come back to this video. Some logics are there in the first video.
Yes, sir, seen, sir. Yes, sir, seen, sir.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
That means you can give. Next class, surely we are going to see the some more advanced problems. Open to all. Any can answer.
Sir, 10, sir.
10 Dinesh, upgrade
Roll.
option. Upgrade
Sir,
option.
Sir, is it E? Because
Wait,
we
Vamsi.
don't know the quantity of container, right?
Wait, Vamsi. So what would be the quantity of container? LCM of
We can
everything.
take.
LCM of everything. That is going to
We
be the
can take
total quantity that can be capable of the tank.
20, sir.
900.
What is the LCM?
20, sir. Answer C.
900. 900 is LCM.
Why 900 is the LCM?
180.
180, sir.
180, 180, sir.
180, sir, LCM.
180 is the LCM. Vamsi. Dinesh.
Sir.
180 is the LCM.
Yes, sir. 180, no, sir.
Okay, what is the answer?
Sir, 20, sir.
Vamsi gave none of these. Dinesh giving 20.
Sir, none of this.
None of these also giving by
The
one more.
same order is followed subsequently அப்படின்னு போட்டிருக்கல சார்.
Yeah.
None of these.
இன்னொரு டைம் சார் அது இன்னொரு டைம் அந்த
See,
11.
somebody is giving some other answer. Yes, yes. Preeti also giving none of this. What about Rajshekhar, Pratyush? Then others, Anu,
35.
35. Yeah. Read the question carefully. If you want, I will add one more word also here. So everything question is very clear. It is not at all no typing mistake. Fine. So shall I do?
18 minutes சார். 18 ஆனா ஆன்சர்ல இல்ல சார்.
Okay, okay. I will do. Listen carefully here. Please, everyone, listen carefully here. This is a beautiful
35
question.
இல்லையா?
No, Rajshekhar.
Sir, wait, sir.
Wait. Okay. Okay. Anybody wants to know how to take the LCM?
Sir, 180 divided by 11.
My question is, anybody wants to know how to take the LCM, or you people know? Comment table. Simple. So here, anybody wants to know the LCM or knowing the LCM? So therefore, the total capacity of that container or else the tank, whatever be. So that is the 80 liter. So now we need to identify the capacity of the individual pipes. Identify the capacity of individual pipe per minute. So here it is everything in the minute. Therefore AS capacity, obviously total is 180 liters. So
Sir,
A
it's
alone,
D?
Preeti giving D.
Yes, sir. 47.
Fine, Preeti. 47 is right. So listen. So 180 by 20. So which is equal to what?
9.
So 9 liters per minute. Okay, I am considering that as a liter since it is given as a some units. That unit you can assume as a liter. So now B 180 by 30. So which is equal to 6 liter per minute. Then C capacity 45. So therefore here 4 liter per minute. So what about if all are opened? If all are open, so listen carefully. Which is going to be emptying? C is emptying.
TMT.
A and B are filling the tank. Listen carefully. This is the tank. Okay. So this is nothing but the filling pipe. A, B. Then this tap is opening. Okay, this tap has been opened. Okay. So therefore 2 is filling now. Filling, yesterday I mentioned filling means you have to take as a plus, emptying means you need to take it as a negative. That logic simple. So 9 plus 6, 15, 15 minus 4,
11.
11,
11.
sir.
11
Yes.
liters per
So
minute.
if everything opened, if A and B and everything open, they are having a capacity of filling 11 liter per minute.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So therefore listen, now what would be the maximum minute there? 40, 45. So now in 45 minutes, so 1 minute 11 liter, then 45 minutes, 45 into,
495.
so therefore 165.
Yes, sir.
495.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. So here, oh, sorry, wait a minute. So here you need to be very careful. It is not the 45. Okay, wait a minute. So therefore in 45 minutes. Okay. So here you should not multiply with the 45 into 11. So here you need to be very careful here. So what is the extra minute? 20, 30 and 45. What is the difference between the filling and emptying?
5 minutes.
Filling and emptying, extra,
50. 15.
15 minutes. 30 and 45. So therefore 15 minutes. So therefore 11 into 15. So what is the answer now?
65.
165 liters. So are filled in that 45 minutes. So since, listen carefully, the question is A is having the capacity of filling the tank. If A alone open means 20 minutes, within the 20 minutes it will fill. If B alone opened means within 30 minutes it will fill the tank. Okay, but here whereas C can empty the container alone in 45 minutes. If the tank is filled, okay, filled everything. So if that leakage is happening or else if the tap has opened, it will take 45 minutes to empty that tank completely. So now what is the thing here? The 3 pipes are kept opened along for a minute. 1 minute each in the order A, B, C. So here we have found up to 45 minutes. Now which is going to be opened on the 46th minute?
A.
A
A
is
will
going to
go.
be opened. So if A has opened, then A is having the capacity of filling 9 liter. Understood?
Sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
if 47th minute, then which is going to be open? B is going to be open. So this is the question here. Since the pipes are kept opened alone for 1 minute each other in the order A, B, C. So like that. So now if in the 47th minute B has opened, it has the capacity of filling 6 liters. So therefore here 15. So therefore already 45 minutes plus your 2 minutes. So that is 46 and 47. So with the 47th minute, you are attaining that full capacity. So that is the 180. How? Here 165, then plus 15, you are attaining the full 180 liters. Therefore, it takes 47 minutes that the reservoir to be filled. So the answer is going to be the D. So anybody having a doubt here? No means we will move on to the next question.
சார் எனக்கு அந்த 15 மட்டும் எப்படி
Okay, okay,
மற்ற சம்முக்குல இருந்து இதுக்கு எப்படி வேரி ஆகுதுன்னு மட்டும் தெரியும்.
okay. Listen. I will tell you again. So how that 15 varies here. So D is the answer here. Okay. So now listen. So why here 15? So that is the question of Dinesh. So here, for example, listen. So here, first read this statement that 3 pipes are opened alone for 1 minute each other. So which means that for the first 1 minute A is going to be open. For the next 1 minute B is going to be open. For the third minute C is going to be open. So which means that, so here you have to be very careful here. So here, how many minutes so far completed? How many minutes so far completed?
One round 3 minutes, sir.
3 minutes. Understood?
Yes.
Understood? So therefore, in every 3 minutes, 11 liters has been filled into that container. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
If you are having doubt, just erase this. Just take 11 liter per 3 minute. Understanding now?
Yes, sir.
So this is better. Okay, 11 liter per 3 minute. If you take in this way, then it would be very easy. Dinesh, understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Shall we move on to the next question?
Yes, sir.
So shall I give you the pipe and cistern concept, or else we will go with some other? If you want one more pipe and cistern, I will give you one more. Fine, no answers.
Sir.
Same kind of question.
Sir, 100, sir.
100.
Sir.
Dinesh, verify again. Both the pipes are function alternatively for minute. So use that concept. Use that concept. Same concept. In how many minutes a tank? So that concept, last concept we have done now. Same concept apply here. So in the last problem, 3 minutes. If both are open, it will take 3 minutes to fill the 11 liter. Same concept apply here.
Sorry.
87, sir.
87.
7.
87. Rajshekar giving some other answer. Ashigar,
90.
90
I got on
Sir, 100.
99, sir.
99
Sir, 100.
Preeti giving 100 people others understanding at least some comment
Sir,
session
trying
also.
to do it.
Okay, good. Some comment session also, the comment also there, so please use that comment if you couldn't able to unmute, since if you don't know or else if you couldn't able to solve I will help you. For that only I'm asking you again and again for everyone, since I know Rajshekhar, Pratyush,
Sir,
Dinesh,
87
Preeti,
தான் சார் வருது.
they will open the mouth. So now listen, total capacity of the tank, here we don't know any LCM etc, so here 50 liters, so you need to fill 50 liters totally. So that is the question here. So here in the first minute, what is the capacity of that inlet pipe? 7
7
liters.
liters.
So second minute, so that is the, see I am adding, add means inlet, negative means outlet, please remember that. So second minute 6 liter emptied. So in 2 minutes, if the both the tanks are opened, okay, or else both the pipe function alternatively, okay, the inlet pipe is the first one to function, then outlet pipe, so like that, okay. So now in the 2 minute, how many liters of the water remains in the tank?
1 liter.
1 liter. Okay, so 2 minute 1 liter. Now I'm doing the multiplication here, simple. Okay, so here we need to at least nearby, right? Nearby. So go with that even. Okay, so if I am going with even,
10.
okay, so here how many liters
100.
shall we? 20
Sir, 10 liters, sir.
Okay, let us go with like this, 10 liter, how many minutes?
10th
20
minute,
minute
sir.
20 minutes, sir.
20th minute. 20th
20,
minute.
20 minute
Yes, sir.
20 minute
Yes, sir. 20th minute, 10 liters.
fine, then
40th minute, 20 liters. 50th minute, 30 liters. 50th minute, 30 liters.
60, understanding
Sir, no, 50th will be 30 liters, right? 50.
50
No.
Yes, sir. 50th minute will be 30 liters and 60th minute will be 40 liters.
How?
Sir, இல்ல sir. 68th minute தான் sir 30 liters.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 40 liters 80 minutes
Yeah, yes, sir.
So now listen, I'm moving with 42
Correct.
liter, 40 liter 81 minute understood
Yes, sir.
So now listen very carefully,
Yes, sir.
40, so that 81st minute, which tap has been opened? That is very important here,
Inlet, sir.
whether inlet or outlet. So now listen, then 44th 44th understanding or not? Up to this you people understood
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
41st minute, sir 81st minute வந்து திரும்ப 7 வரும் sir.
wait, you need to be very careful here. So now 40 liters 80 minutes 40 liters, okay. So now listen carefully, which is going to be the 81st minute,
Inlet
Inlet
pipe.
or outlet?
Inlet, sir.
Very
Inlet, sir.
good. Very good.
Inlet pipe.
Very good. Listen carefully, Po. Listen. Yeah, that is what I was expecting from you people. So now I'm changing the color of the pen. Listen. 81st minute. Who is going to be opened? A. Shall we take A as that inlet? So inlet we will take as a outlet we consider as a B. So now listen. So if in that 81st minute, if A has opened, A is having the capacity of filling 7 liter. Therefore, this is going to be the 47. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
82nd minute, B is going to be opened. So it has emptying of 6 liter. Therefore,
41.
here 41 liter.
41.
So now 83rd minute, A
48.
is going to be open. So therefore here plus
48.
so plus
48.
of here 7, then here 6. Be careful here. So therefore 48 liters. So here 84th minute B is going to be opened. So therefore subtract.
42.
So 42 liters. Now listen. So 84th minute 42 liters. So now 85th minute again A is going to be opened. Therefore again 7 we need to add. Therefore 49 liters. Then 86th minute B is going to be opened. Therefore subtract 6. So therefore 43. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
87th minute A is going to be opened. So therefore they are having the capacity of filling 7 liters. Therefore we are attaining the 50 liters. Understanding everyone? So therefore
Yes,
the
sir.
answer is 87 minute. So I have done this very briefly for you people. I think so everyone is cleared.
Yes, sir.
So anybody having a doubt?
No, sir.
Here not at all any calculation required. It requires some analytical skills. Simple. That is what I have provided this question.
Sir,
Hope. Yep.
81 minutes.
நம்ம
81 minutes அது இன்னொரு வாட்டி சொல்லுங்க சார்.
யாரும்மா கேக்குறது? ராஜேஸ்வரி தானே?
ராஜேஸ்வரி. எஸ் சார்.
ராஜேஸ்வரி கவனிச்சிங்களா?
நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூஸ்.
இவ்வளவு நேரம் சொன்னது கவனிச்சிங்களா?
இல்ல சார், நான் வெளியே போயிட்டேன்.
அப்ப
நெட்வொர்க்
யார்
இஷ்யூ.
தப்பு இது? ரெக்கார்டிங் உங்களுக்கு நான் தர சொல்றேன். அதுல ஒரு வாட்டி பாத்துக்கோங்க. See, please attentive in the class. I know I was explaining very slowly, but you people all well educated people, then matured people, also graduated, don't say this kind of reasons. Online classes you need to be very attentive. Just logging in and going and doing something else and again coming back and again you are asking me to explain. I am ready to explain, but do you know one thing? It will affect the other aspirants. It will affect their time. So please try to I'm not going to say anything for this kind of activities. Please be attentive in the class. That is my request to everyone. Okay, I'm moving to the next question. So if you people want to learn, please learn by seeing the recording. Okay, thank you. Genuinely, if you do not understand means I will explain, but for your personal work your people are doing and coming back means that is not my mistake. I hope everyone will accept my words. Fine. Almost two problem took 40 minutes. Almost. 13 1 by 3, 8 4 by 7, 10 2 by 3, D is 9, E is none.
Sir, 8 4 by 7.
8 4 by 7. Any other answers? Surely this kind of question you will get in a competitive exams. Fine. Listen carefully. A completes 40% of the work in 10 days. So here it is given that here their efficiency has been provided. Okay. B is 50% efficient as A. So that is why during the introduction part I have provided. So here who is more efficient? B is more efficient. Isn't it? Or
Sir,
A is
A.
more?
A,
A is
sir.
more. B is 50%. Yes. Then A is more efficient. Therefore, I am taking A as 2. Understanding? Why am I taking A as 2? Since B is 50% as efficient as A, which means that A is more efficient. If A is 100%, then B is 50. Simple. So this logic. So another thing, B and C. Okay. C is 50% efficient as B. So then I'm taking here 2. Then here 1. So here you need to calculate A is to B is to C. So what is the shortcut? Listen carefully to find out the shortcut. Multiply these two. Multiply these two. This is the step number 1. So therefore 4. Second step is multiply these two. This is the shortcut. Ratio and proportion I will teach you. 4 is to 2 is to. Then this is the step number 3. This is the step number 3. This is the way to identify if any two ratios are given, A is to B, B is to C, then they will ask you to find out. You will get this kind of questions in your group 4 exam directly. They will give you A is to B, that is 2 is to 1, B is to C, 3 is to 4. Then what is the A is to B is to C? That kind of question you may expect in your group exams. Okay. So now here it is 1, right? Here it is 1. So what is the total? 7. Fine. So after this, A has completed 40% of the work. Okay, in the 10 days. 40% of the work in 10 days. So now remaining 60% only, right? Remaining 60% of the work has been done by all of them, which means that A, B, C. What is the efficiency of A? B,
4, 2,
then
1.
C by total 7. Understanding? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or else do another way.
So we cannot use 3:2 ratio or 4:3 ratio like that, sir. Only we need to. Here you used to know, sir, for A, B, C, 2:1 ratio, then you have multiplied it and A is to B is to C, you done know, sir. That we cannot do as 3:2 ratio or 4:3 ratio, like that we cannot do as.
You
So
can
only
take,
2 is.
you can take.
Okay, sir.
That also you can take.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Fine. So here I will tell you directly. Okay, the remaining 60%, right? Therefore 60 by what is the total here?
7.
7.
Simple. You can do in this way. That is better. 60 by 7.
Yes, sir.
What is 60 by 7?
8/4 by 7.
8/4 by 7. So if anybody wants me to repeat, I will repeat.
Sir, is there any other method?
This is the very easiest method for doing that efficiency concept.
Sir,
So
shall I
Rajshekar,
say what I did?
yes,
sir.
Rajshekar, you can share.
Sir, I took A is 40% in 10 days. So,
Yes.
write ABC, sir. ABC.
Hmm.
A is 4% for 1 day.
Correct.
So A4 means B is half of A. So B will be 2 and C is half of B. So C will be 1. So 4 to 1 we can directly get. That is equal to total 7% work. Remaining we know that 60% work has to be completed. So 7 into 8 is 56. 7 into 8 56. It's little less
Option.
than 60.
Go with option method.
Yes, sir. So
Fine.
it should be above than 8, less than 9.
Yes.
Sir, in this method, I tried taking out the total percentage, like total days, so I got confused. This was better in which you take out 1 day's task.
Which one?
Sir, in this question, I tried taking out the total work and total days concept I used, but that didn't work for me.
Sir, total days, question how many more days will they complete the work? இன்னும் மீதி எவ்வளவு நாள் தானே சார் கேட்டிருக்காங்க
ஆமா அதனால 60%.
டோட்டல் டேஸ் வராதுல்ல சார்.
Fine, but she is understanding now her mistake. Dinesh.
Yes sir எனக்கு அவங்க பேசுறது புரியல சார்.
Yes. She is conveying that what mistake she has made. Fine, shall we move on to the next question?
Yes, sir.
See, Rajshekar has explained this ABC directly. Okay, but I have done with this proper method in the sense that ratio method. What Rajshekar explained is, yes, 1 day he has calculated 4, half means what? 2, half of that B is nothing but 1, simple. So he has done in this method. This is the procedure method. So what I have done is this is the procedure 2 1 and 2 1. So here I have taught you one more concept called as ratio. A is to B, B is to C. Then how to find out A is to B is to C. That concept also I have done here. So if you are facing any issues, you may clarify, or else we will move on to the next question. See, solving the number of question is not important. Even 1, 2, 3 per day, I will be happy if you people understanding that. If you are okay, I will move on to the next question. Shall I move on to the next question?
Sure.
Fine. This kind of questions you need to practice. The completely different questions. Those who have appeared for UPSC, they can able to realize this kind of questions and all very difficult or not difficult, different from the previous year questions, whatever we are discussing here. Satish understanding? Sachin. Satish, Sachin. Ismail understanding appa logo.
Yes sir.
சரிப்பா. இஸ்மாயில் புரியுதாப்பா?
புரியுது சார். ஆனா இந்த டைம் தான் ரொம்ப எடுக்குதுன்னு தெரியுது.
பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணணும்.
ஓகே சார். ஆனா எல்லாம் ஸ்பீடா பண்றாங்க. நான் போட்டு ஆன்சர் வருது, டைம் எடுத்துட்டு வருது.
பரவாயில்ல, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்க. பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ண தான் வரும். புரியுதா?
ஆக்சுவலி क्वेश्चन ஃபர்ஸ்ட் படிக்கும்போது புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் இதுவா கஷ்டமா இருக்கு சார். பட் ஒன்ஸ் பண்ண ஈஸியா இருக்கு.
பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணா சரியா வந்துருப்பா. அந்த பிராக்டிஸ் क्वेश्चंसலாம் சால்வ் பண்றீங்களா?
ஆமா சார், பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் சார்.
சரி, ஓகே
சார். 7 1/5.
So Rajshekhar giving answer as 7 1/5. Any other answer? So Jenny, $30 days. No, 45 days. Joel, 60 days. If Jenny is helped by Noah and Joel every third day, how long will they take to complete the job? First of all, what you need to do, you need to take the LCM. What is the LCM of 30, 45, 60?
180.
180. People, please tell me whether you people needed me to explain how to take a LCM. If it is so, I will ready to explain.
No, sir.
No, fine. So therefore, LCM is 180. Therefore, this is nothing but the total work. Total work. That work you can take anything as an object. Okay. So after this, okay, what is the capacity of Joel? Capacity
6.
The capacity is nothing but 180 by 30. So therefore, making a 6 chairs per day. So you just take some objects, chair, chocolate, cakes, whatever. So now here 180 by 45, 4 chair per day. Then here 180 by 60,
3.
therefore 3 chairs per day. So now listen carefully. If Jenny is helped by Noah and Joel every third day, how long it will take for them to complete the job? So therefore here, first day who is going to work? Joel. So therefore he is having the capacity of making 6. Second day also going to be Jenny. So again 6. First 2 days 12 chairs completed.
Yes, sir.
First 2 days 12 chairs completed. Now listen. So now third day all 3 of them going to be work. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So they can able to make 13 chairs per day if all the 3 are working now. Yes or no? Third day.
Yes, sir.
All three. So therefore 13 chores they can make, since Joel, No and Jenny are working. So therefore on third day. So which means that totally 25 chores completed in third day. So therefore go by the multiplication method. Simple. So just nearby 180. 3 here 25. 25 into dash is equal to nearby 180, 170, right? So multiply by 7. So therefore here
170.
175.
175.
here
Yeah, 21 minutes.
21.
so therefore 21 days they have completed 175 chars. So now remaining
5.
5, yeah.
5.
Okay, who is going to be done on 22nd day? Jenny,
Jenny.
right?
Yes, sir.
So 22nd day Jenny. If Jenny is working full day means, listen carefully, if Jenny is working full day means she is having the capacity of making 6 chars. So it exceeds, but we need 181. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So now what you have to do here? What you have to do here?
Going with options.
6 by 5. Sir, 6
Going
by
with options.
Yes, going with the option is one method.
The 24 hours is 6. Yes. Hours
21 days 6 by 5. 21.655.
5 by 6.
5 by 6.
5 by 6. Okay, sir.
Understood?
5 by 6. Sorry, sir.
21 days. Then 5 by
6.
Then what is the answer for this question?
E.
E. E,
Why
sir.
E? Why E? Cross multiply. Cross multiply. People, E is the answer. E is the answer.
Yes, sir.
So take this as a mixed fraction.
131 by 6.
175.
120 by 6.
131.
By
Huh?
6, sir.
131 by 6. 131.
131 by
6.
6. How long it will take for to complete the job? Okay, the answer is 21.
5 by 6.
5 by 6. So that is not in the option.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then option is E. Done.
Yes, sir.
I'm moving to the next question. Anybody having a doubt? See, Rajshekar mentioned after 21 days there is nothing in the option. 21 is not there. So therefore, he has mentioned option E. That option method also will help you.
Sir, why multiply 21 with 7, sir?
Huh?
Why multiply 21 with 7?
Here, this one.
Yes, sir.
You are doing multiplication to reach the 175. For 3 days, 25 chars. Nearby 180 you have to go. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Nearby. So therefore 25 into dash is equal to nearby 180. 25 into 7 is equal to 175. That is the nearby 180.
Sir, but why 21?
You have to multiply 3 into 7.
Oh,
3
okay.
into 7. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now fine. Shall I move on to the next question?
சார்
Hmm.
சார் அந்த 6 நமக்கு ஹோலா இருக்கு, அந்த 5/6 மட்டும் எப்படி சார் போட்டீங்க?
லாஸ்ட் இயர் அட்டன் பண்ணியா ஒரு சம்மு போட்டிருப்பான் ஆல்டர்னேட் டேஸா, இப்படி அந்த ஆல்டர்னேட் டேஸ்ல போட்டு அதுக்கப்புறமா ஏன் வந்து 2/3 வந்துச்சு, ஏன் வந்து 1/3 போட்டேன் அப்படிலாம் சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன், ஞாபகம் இருக்கா இல்லையா?
சார் இல்ல சார், மறந்துருச்சு.
வந்து போச்சா, கோத்ரூ பண்ணிட்டு வா. See,
Okay.
those who want to learn this 5/6, those who couldn't able to understand why here 5/6, take your time. Still, if you couldn't able to understand why I'm writing 5/6 here, please come back. Okay, fine. Shall I move to the next question? Yes, sir. No? Fine.
Yes sir.
People still having doubt why 5 in the numerator.
Yes,
Still doubt,
sir.
See, 175 is there na. What is the remaining to attain the 180?
5.
5.
5. What is the capacity of Jenny?
6.
6. Understood, Dinesh?
Yes sir, yes sir. Thank you sir.
என்னப்பா இப்படி பண்றீங்களேப்பா. See, required practice. Fine. It is not a school. Okay, teacher writing the question and keep on giving solution. It's not a school class exercise, etc. Please keep paper and pen and try. Not only me, even in the institution also this only will happen. They will give you a question, they will give you time to solve, and then they will teach. Concept they will teach. Done na? Rom and Bcom. Does it looks very difficult, this today's topics? Preeti?
Yes, sir.
Then next class I am going to give some advanced level question. This is moderate level.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Anu feeling difficult,
Yes, sir.
Ajay. Ajay is first class today.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you
Yes, sir.
feeling difficult, huh?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Aparna. Aparna Ventilos.
Yes, sir. Very difficult.
You. Oh my god. Ventilosa.
So,
Did they taught in your Vachiram classes?
they taught, but they don't used to give time, like,
Okay, fine. Time is
But,
important.
sir,
Hmm.
but it's very difficult, sir.
But they say why they are doing without giving a time means they need to complete the portions within that time duration. So here that is what I'm not giving you
Sir,
any
actually, it's
schedule.
a 3 months course, na, for 6
Ah yes, they are charging 28,000 for 3 months.
No, sir. 21,000.
21,000 for the 3 months.
Yes, sir.
Fine,
Yes, sir.
fine.
And it becomes like we are not able to do it because it becomes 3.5 hour class in a day, or
Okay,
sometimes 3 hours. Then
okay,
we are not that the day capacity used to go out.
okay, fine. So done. Shall I do?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So here Ram is 11 by 8 times as efficient as Ravi means Ram is 11, then the Ravi is 8. That is a simple logic here. So their efficiency has been provided. Ram, Ravi. So Ram is 11, Ravi is 8. So their efficiency has been provided. After the efficiency has provided. Okay. So you need to be very careful with the next statement. So here the question is Ram and Ravi can do your job together in 8 days. Ram is 11 by 8 times the efficiency as Ravi. The same job can be done by Ravi alone in how many days? That is the question.
Sir, 19.
19 is right. Which method?
Sir, I don't know, sir. Sorry.
You don't know. So now listen carefully. So now Ram and Ravi. So having the capacity of making this much of works. This much of work has been completed in 8 days. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Completed in 8 days. Okay. So it is given that Ravi takes, what is Ravi? So here you people understood this 19.
In the same.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this 19 is very important here. So here Ram has having the capacity of making 11, then Ravi is making the having the capacity of 8. If they are both working together means they can able to make 19 object, okay, in 8 days. So that is the question here. So you people know, right, the concept called as efficiency and the time taken. Since here they are asking you to uh, find out the same job that can be done by Ravi alone in dash much of days, which means that we need to identify the time. What is the efficiency and relation between the time?
Inversely
Inversely proportional.
proportional.
Inversely proportional. So therefore, wait a minute. So here 19 into 8 by 8, then cancel this 8 and 8, you will get a 19 days. Simple.
Not clear, sir.
Not clear. How to proceed this?
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Fine. Listen carefully here. Okay. 19 into 8 by 8. Simple. 19 into 8 divisible by 8. Then you will get the job done by the Ravi alone. So this is Ravi alone. So for example, 11, then 8. What is the total? 19. So 11 by 9 parts done by this person. Then 8 by 19 parts done by this person. This is Rama. Then this is Ravi. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This concept you people understood?
Yes, sir. But
11 by 9
if they
empty, sir.
ask for Ram, then what will be the answer? If they ask for Ram, then what will be the answer? 19 into 8 by 11?
Yes. Ram and Ravi. The question is dealing with the Ravi here. Okay. So therefore, simply reciprocal of this. What is the reciprocal of this?
11 by 19 or 11 by 9, sir.
Sorry, 19 here. Understood? Yes or no? So
Sir,
this is yes, Pratish.
so could you please explain one more time?
Yes, I will
Because
explain.
I'm not getting.
Or not getting. Fine.
Thank you.
So please listen carefully here. Ram and Ravi can do a piece of job together in 8 days. Okay. Then Ram is 11 by 8 times as efficient as Ravi. So therefore, if Ram can able to do this much, okay. So for example, listen, I am taking Ram and Ravi here. Okay. So now, if Ravi is 1, then Ram is 11 by 18. Ram by 8. Understood? This one.
Yes, sir.
Now multiply with 8. See, people learn something. So therefore 11 and 8. Understanding how we are getting 11 and 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Clear, Pratyush? This one.
Sir, does it
This
mean?
one.
So what does it signify? Like 11 and 8. What does it signify?
Simple.
That's what I'm not able
See,
to get.
listen. So this is Pratyush. This
Is it
is...
one day work?
No, their efficiency.
Okay.
Efficiency only giving, na. They are not mentioning the time here. Time given here. Understood?
Okay.
Now, listen, this is Pratyush, then this is Rajashekhar. Okay. If Rajashekhar, okay, Rajashekhar is having the capacity of 1, okay, or else 100%. Then Pratish is having the capacity, that is the efficiency, that is the 11 by 8 times of Rajashekhar, which means that 11 by 8 times the Rajashekhar. What is the capacity of Rajashekhar? 1. Then in order to avoid that denominator, what we need to do, we have to multiply 8 in the both the sides. Then 8 gets cancelled here. 11 into 1s are 11, then 1 into 8s are 8. Understood? Everyone
Yes.
understood? This one.
Yes, sir.
This
Got
one
it.
you
So
understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes,
So
sir.
I have written simply you can take 11 by 8 means here 11 and 8. That directly you can take, or else the procedure method just now I have taught here. So after this, okay. So now what is the total here? 19. Simple. So now come back to this concept before moving to that. Come back to here. So here Ram is 11 and Ravi is 8. Then what is the total? 9. So therefore 11 by 19 part of the work is doing by the Ram, 8 by 19 part of the work is doing by the Ravi. Then the efficiency is inversely proportional to the time taken. 19 by 8. Understood?
Yes,
Here
sir.
19 by 11. Yes or no? Done na?
Understood, but why
Yes,
we
sir.
multiplied with 8 here?
Here Ram and Ravi can do the piece of work in just multiply this simple with that much of number of days. Understood?
Okay, sir.
It is
Then
given here.
just were given
Rashid.
8 days. That's why.
Then cancel. Simple 19. So therefore Ravi is doing, Ravi takes 19 days. If Ravi alone doing that work means he is taking 19 days. If Ram alone means what? This much of days. 19 into 8 by 11 days. Understood?
Yes, sir. Got it. Thank you, sir.
So please take note
So
of
they
these things.
asked for Ram, then 19 by 11 into 8. Yes, sir. Got it. Now got it. Okay.
Please take simple notes. That is very important. So if I am giving PDF, that won't help you. Maybe the recording will help you, but your notes will help you. Whatever I am dictating, please take those notes. Those notes will help you to solve
So,
this kind of questions. Yes,
so,
Preeti.
so efficiency is 11:8 for Ram and Ravi.
Yes.
Time will be 8:11.
Yes.
And
No,
so
no,
for Ram,
no. After finding out the, see, after finding out this, okay,
sir,
after,
but time is inversely proportional, na? So time will be 8:11.
yes, yes,
So
correct.
it comes out to be 8 divided by 19 into 8.
Yes, correct.
But you are writing 8 divided by
That is
19.
what I am mentioning clearly. Here, the
Here you
efficiency,
are writing 19 into 8 by 8. But I am saying it
yes.
is 8 divided by 19 into 8.
So here, the efficiency here, okay. After finding out this, okay. You have understood how I am finding out this one, this part.
Yes, that I have understood.
Okay. After finding out this part, okay. So now, this is the work, okay. This is the work, their efficiency. So now, after finding out this, I'm just taking the number of days, okay. So what
Yes,
I
sir.
mean, the number of days means time taken. Here, the concept, the efficiency and the days are reciprocal, or else,
Yes, sir.
okay, inversely proportional. If it is the case, then 19 by 8 into this much of days worked by whom? Both the people. So which means that Ravi also working 8 days, Ram also working 8 days. In order to calculate the Ravi's work alone, just calculate that 19 by 8 into that much of number of days. Therefore 8 gets cancelled, then you will get the 19 days. So if you want to identify the Rams, then 19 into 8 by 11. Simple.
19 into 8 by 11.
That is going to be the Rams.
Yes, got it. Got it.
Done.
Statement was efficiency is inversely proportional with time, na?
Yes. Time
Okay.
is nothing but the days, etc. Rajಶೇಖರ್ understood?
Some practice பண்றேன் miss.
Practice பண்ணணும் இந்த மாதிரி questions நிறைய எடுத்து.
Yes, sir, needs a lot of practice.
Yes, obviously you people need a practice this kind of question. That is what, whatever the question which we are provided, please do practice. Please take off 1 hour, 2 hours, spend 1 hour, 2 hours for this kind of questions. I'm very sure this kind of, see, this is very important question. I hope listen carefully. I will show you the questions here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 questions are there. If people want me to take these 9 questions in the upcoming classes, or else shall I give it as a PDF? If people want to try.
Sir, will do a class, please.
So you, then okay, fine. So this is the last question of the day. Then don't expect the PDF of today's class. Okay, after completing tomorrow's class, I will give you the PDF completely. I mean next class.
Yes, yes, sir.
Or else you people needed that PDF, today's class PDF.
No, sir.
No.
No.
Fine. After completing the remaining problems, I will give you. Shall I give you 10 questions for time and work practice questions tomorrow?
You Yes, sir.
Some basic questions. You people need it means I will give you, or else I will not give you.
No, sir, please give.
No, sir, please give.
Okay. Today 20 questions has been provided for averages. See na?
Sir, seen, I have seen.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Daily we are giving a task. You people have to give your time. That is important. So yes, proceed this question. This question is the somewhat a lot of understanding required for this kind of questions. Oh my god. Done.
Sir, no, sir.
Sir, please wait.
I'm waiting. A beautiful question. I may say this is beautiful question, but if this kind of question was there in the examination, I don't know how many of you take this question. Surely, if I am in the examination, I will skip this question instead of doing inky pinky punky. I will skip this question surely. Maybe or else after completing some question, then I will come back to this kind of questions. So statements are looking. Chansi புரியுதாப்பா?
Difficult இருக்கு சார் சம்ஸ் எல்லாம்.
Sorry, okay. You people needed a very easy questions, ah. If it is so, I will
நோ
give you the easy
சார்,
questions.
நோ சார், லேட் ஆகுது.
No,
கொஞ்சம் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணணும் கொஞ்சம்.
பண்ணும். See, last class we have done basic questions, na. The institutions will teach you that basic questions only. Maybe some institutions will teach this kind of difficult questions. Why I am doing this kind of question, you know?
Expect the unexpected, sir.
Yes. One thing is UPSC is unexpected. Anything can then that is one reason. Or else with our classes you can attempt SBA questions, then RBA questions, then whatever be the go banking exams. Banking exam and all they will project these kind of difficult questions, you know. So with our classes, you can able to attend n number of things, exams.
So these types of questions is uh,
Surely
difficult,
this
sir.
kind of question will be there in SBA and RBA exams.
Okay, sir. Thank you to teach us this type of questions, because I'm seeing now only this type of questions, sir.
This kind of questions. Okay, fine. SBA probationary officer, na, that post is there, no? Probationary officer.
I don't know, sir.
People,
Yes,
you
sir.
know, probationary officer, SBA,
Yes,
bank,
sir.
then LIC probationary officers. So those kind of exams also, it will help this kind of questions. Shall I do?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, please.
Fine. Now with the first statement itself, you can learn something here. Okay. So here, read the first statement. Read the first statement. Easy. So what is given here? The work done by a 8 woman, which is equal to, okay, woman in 8 hours, which is equal to the work done by a man in 6 hours, which is equal to by a boy in 12 hours. So work is equal. Okay. But the duration is?
Sir, please 1 minute only.
You are doing, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So after this, Preeti, mute Preeti.
Sir, muted only.
No. Okay, fine. So now, just equate this. 6 women is equal to 12 boys work. Okay, then 1. So this is 6 women or men?
Sir, men, sir. Men.
6 women, sorry, 8 women. Okay, 6 men. Therefore, 1 man is equal to 2 boys. Then calculate. 1 woman, so 8 women is equal to what? I'm just, see, you people also try to convert everything in terms of a boy or men or woman. So this is the kind of a conversion only. So therefore here, 8 women, which is equal to 12 boy. So therefore 1 woman is equal to what? 8 by 12 by 8 by, so therefore 1 woman is equal to what? 3 by 4 men. Men are by sorry, not 3 by 4.
So 3 by 2, sir.
Yes, 3 by 2 by. Then similar way calculate with the by, then man also 8 woman is equal to 6 man, then 1 woman is equal to 6 by 8 men. So this is equal to
0.75 man.
3 by, yes, 0.75, correct. So after calculating this, why I am calculating this thing is, here this is the statement. In how many days 12 men and 12 women and 12 boys working together for the same work for 8 hours per day. So here the question is 12 men plus 12 women plus 12 boy. Okay. So now easily you can calculate. So everything convert in terms of men. So here 12 men. So here in order to get the 12 women, we have to multiply, right? So check here. So now listen the color. I am changing the color pen. Okay, color of the pen. Now listen carefully. 1 woman. Then 12 woman is equal to what? 3 by 4 into 12. Then this gets cancelled. Then 3. 9.
Yes, sir.
9 men.
9 men. So then boy here, right? By 12.
6 men.
24 book. 1 man is equal to 2 boys, sir. Upper 6 men, sir.
1, yes. Okay, fine. Here 1 men is equal to 6 2 by yes 6. Understood?
Yes.
Then how many?
12
27 men na?
27 men into
So here, what is the given statement here? 9 men work for 9 men work for
in 6 days.
6 hours per day. 6 hours per day.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
6 hours per day. Then
They can finish in 6 days, sir.
read the carefully here. If
and
working 6 hours,
120
listen. If working 6 hours per day, 9 men complete working 6 days. So
Yes,
complete
sir.
the working 6 days. So please be careful here. So this 9 into 6 into, so this much of man, this much of hour, this much of day, which is equal to what? This much of men. How much of men here?
27.
Into how much of day hours?
8.
8. Then we have to calculate the
Days.
days. I'm just taking this. So here per day means what? In the denominator it contains 1 both the side, that you need to, you do not have to bother. So now calculate your, so now calculate the d. So I'm just cancelling this 3 times here 2 times here 4 times therefore 6 by 4. Then cancel here 3 by 2. So d is equal to 3 by 2. Option A. Understanding? So
Sir,
please,
yes, sir.
yes, please practice this kind of questions. That is my suggestion. Please practice. So I know UPSC nowadays, if you go through the 2020, 2021, 2022 question paper, the difficulty level is also increased and the length of the question also increased. Duration to solve that question also increased. I hope those who have attended 2022, surely they will acknowledge my words.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I know Rajshekhar and all very good in CSAT, but he has faced whatever I have just shared with you people. He faced such a situation. Okay, I know I was confident on him, but that pressure situation makes you to go with 45 questions, 47 questions. Even Pratyush has done the same mistake. He has shared with me. He has crossed 45 to 47 questions. Rajshekhar also done that only, right?
Yes,
40,
sir.
47. So this much of things, that exam pressure will make you to do such a mistakes. To avoid such a thing, you have to practice this kind of questions. I will provide you the questions. Uh, if you people needed, see, if you people completed average, then I will give you the time and work. Okay, so don't get the problems. Then don't solve on the same day. I don't want such a thing. Practice daily, spend 2 hours or else 1.5 hours for your CSAT. That is my kind suggestion to everyone. I'm concluding this class here. If you are having any doubt, you may stay on or else we will wind up this class. Thank you all. Have a good day. Good night.